Hi, my name is Brian, and if you do live streams like I do on Twitch or YouTube or well, whatever you like, and you run cables through your cameras and other gear that you are using, then you want to protect your gear by using some cable strain relief. Like for example, if this is a cable that is connected to my USB connector on my computer, you want to make sure that if something happens and someone jerks on that cable, then it won't break the port of your camera, because that can be a $500 repair or even a $1,200 repair for those type of cameras. So yeah, very expensive, and you just don't want that to happen. Now, all these cameras are mounted on plates on your slider or on your tripod, or even on a stand like that. You use a plate to connect it. And just like me, I was wondering if I could make that cable strain relief in that plate so that I could easily take it over from one thing to another thing and use it. And yes, it is possible, and there is a company that makes those plates, which is Tether Tools, but have you seen their prices? Whoa, they're really expensive. $100 for just a plate is a normal price over there. So I'm an engineer, and I thought, well, I've got a lot of 3D printers, let's print it myself. So I designed my own plate, and well, it's this plate. It's Arca Swiss compatible. So on every tripod or slider or whatever what you need, which uses Arca Swiss compatible heads, well, you can use this. And then you can run the cable from your camera through your plate, have some cable strain relief built into your plate, and well, then you can connect it to whatever you want. Now, of course, you can use the longer cables that go directly to your computer, but then I have the same problem on the other end, on the computer end, so that's not what I do. I always use short cables, and those short cables will be attached to another cable so that if there is something happening, then those two would break the connection, and that's it. And this helped me several times, and now I don't ever have to pay the repair costs for a broken port in one of my camera's audio recorders or whatever. So if you want to make your own plates, you can find them for free on my Maker World. The link is in the description down below, and you will find plates in several sizes, ranging from 80mm to 70, 60 and 50mm, depending on if you need a long plate for a long camera, a little bit shorter one for a somehow smaller camera, or a very small one, 38mm by 38mm squared, for example for lamps or monitors, that kind of things that you might use. So yeah, they're there in several sizes, and you can find the link in the description down below and print them yourself. The cost will be between 25 and 35 cents depending on the size that you print. And you will need to buy a 1/4x20 screw if you don't have them already. And a 1/4x20 screw costs about 30 cents. So that's it. And yeah, protect your gear and use a plate like this with some cable strain relief. See you guys later. Oh, and don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to hit the like button in my Maker World so that Maker World knows that it should be shared to more people. Thanks a lot for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.